Artlist.io.
I got no drip in my pocket. Must've forgot it, or maybe I already lost it. Don't got enough to go cop it. I'm about to take off like a rocket. Houston, we might have a problem, but that don't mean money will solve them. No, that don't mean money will solve them. Woke up dreaming of the commas, and I got $100
Music
in my wallet.
licensing
I've been trying to make it do it for
reimagined.
my mama. I ain't with the faking, never with the drama. She said that I'd make it, now I gotta honor that. Replace a Honda with the fucking Model X. Replace my exes with a couple models. She act out of pocket, now it's just a problem. I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it. No, really, don't worry. I don't want no Burberry glowing like the sun, or maybe a little Mercury. Shooting like I'm Booker, but nobody ever heard of me. They don't got 5 O's when I say word to me. Nah, but really, y'all been acting silly. I could care less if you fucking with me, cause I still got the checks coming 150. I got no drip in my pocket, yeah. Must've forgot it, or maybe I already lost it.
Artlist.io.
Don't got enough to go cop it, I'm about to take off like a rocket. Oh, Houston, we might have a problem, but that don't mean money will solve them. Yeah, that don't mean money will solve them. It was never about the comments, you know that these problems they come.
Hello y'all, so this is going to be a quick video. It's just a video showing y'all how I make my Sunjoy, as Chick-fil-A calls it, or Arnold Palmer. So basically you need some black tea. I got this organic black tea. What is this by? Simply Truth Organics. I got it from somewhere. And it's an English breakfast tea. It's pretty good. Where did I get this from? I think I got this from Fry's. So this is basically the name of the tea. And then I got another one. I haven't tasted this one because they say this is strong. The caffeine is strong. But I haven't tried it yet because I normally do my iced teas for dinner. With my dinner. And as you can see, they have on here, like, you know, how strong the tea is. So I haven't tried that one yet. So I'm just using up the rest of the Simple Truth Organic. Now, I ordered this mason jar off of Amazon. This is a brewing mason jar because it has the brew bag right here. So first, I'm going to put in my sugar. You don't, if you are no sweeteners, you don't have to put in the sugar, but I do use a sweetener. I can't do no sweetener, especially on the iced tea. So I use Lincanto monk fruit sweetener. It doesn't raise the blood glucose. And this is going to be filled up with 28 ounces of water. So I'm going to put 4 to 5 tablespoons in here. I'll put 4 tablespoons of the monk fruit sweetener. So you see that? This is the monk fruit sweetener. You can use the golden or you can use the classic. They both work the same. Then I'm going to put, this came off. I'm going to put my basket, my tea basket, inside of the container. Like, this thing is like a stopper. And I'm going to put it on my, so as you can see, the bag, you can put coffee in this and it'll go as like a strainer, or you can put your tea bags in it, or loose tea, or loose coffee grounds in it. It's a basket. So, and the basket do come off. It has a top that you can use if you're drinking the whole thing or whatever you want. You can use your, it's a lid with a snap closure on it, so it won't, you know, fall apart. So I put my tea bag inside the basket and got my sugar at the bottom. As you can see, it's 28 ounces. I just put it on hot water instead of boil. I don't want to keep it warm. I put it on hot. It was water temperature. I leave it on hot because I am going to stick it in the refrigerator. So it is finished. So it's finished. I'm gonna just let the tea bag hang out and brew. You can see it came all the way up to the top. That's 28 ounces. So I'm gonna let that tea bag brew just a little bit. And then I'm gonna just put the lid on it, shake it up, and put it in the refrigerator for tomorrow. And then once you get ready to drink it, you add some ice to it. You get you a fresh Myers lemon or a fresh lemon, and you squeeze as much lemon juice in it as you want until you get that taste, and you got your Arnold Palmer. And it's a healthier, it's a much healthier version than if you was to go to a store like Chick-fil-A. They sell the Sunjoy, and I was there like every week getting a Sunjoy until I went there one day and they said their iced tea machine was broke. From there I went to Fry's and got these right here, and started trying to do my own sweet tea without all of the bad sugar. So I do use monk fruit, which is widely used in the keto community. It's 0 carbs, zero net carbs. It's 0 glycemic. It's a 1-to-1 replacement. I actually like monk fruit. It doesn't mess with your insulin levels. I do count total carbs, so for some people you may add less, but I do total carbs, and I don't do many carbs anyways because I'm carnivore. So that's will be mostly where my carbs is coming from, is the monk fruit sweetener. So I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna shake it up, put it in the refrigerator, and then the next day when you get ready to have your tea, you cut you a lemon in half and squeeze the lemon juice in the jar. Put your ice in there first, then squeeze your lemon juice in the jar along with the lemon rind. Make sure you wash it first, and stick it inside your glass with some ice and let it marinate a little. And you got your sweet tea, just a healthier version without all of the bad sugar. So that's that. And again, I got this off of Amazon. This is actually a coffee brew system right here. And I think this is I don't know. I wanted a big one. I think this is it's a 24 ounce mason jar. And this is by a Ball, I think. Yeah, this is a Ball wide mouth glass mason jar. And it comes with a top. Yeah. That flips open. So check it out. Let me know how y'all. And peace out.
Artlist.io.
I got no drip in my pocket. Must have forgot it, or maybe I already lost it. Don't got enough to go cop it. I'm about to take off like a rocket. Houston, we might have a problem, but that don't mean money will solve them. No, that don't mean money will solve them. Woke up dreaming of the commas, and I got $100
Music
in my wallet.
licensing
I've been trying to make it do it for
reimagined.
my mama. Ain't with the faking, never with the drama. She said that I make it, now I gotta honor that. Replace a Honda with the fucking Model X. Replace my exes with a couple models. She act out of pocket, now it's just a problem. I got it. No, really, don't worry. I don't want no Burberry glowing like the sun, or maybe a little Mercury. Shooting like I'm book up.